Hey guys, so this is the other guy coming to you today. So guess what we're doing today? Today we are changing the rotor on our Highlander here. It's the original rotor that came with the SUV. It is approximately, it has 165,000 miles on it, so it's pretty bad, I'll be honest with you. We just came back from Southern California, going down the Grapevine. The rotor is warped, and so you can feel the steering wheel doing this, just like that, and you can feel that, you can tell that this is warped. So what we're doing today is we're changing the rotor here, and I'll show you this. I just bought a brand spanking rotor. So as you can see, this is the Duralast rotor from AutoZone, and it's brand new. So we will be swapping this one with the old one that we have. So if you're interested in how to do this job, come with me and let's go have some fun. Okay, so to do this job, you have to jack up your car, right? And if you don't know how to jack up your car, my encouragement to you is stop, take your car in to a certified mechanic to have them work on. If you don't know how to jack your car by this time, I don't want you to do this job because you might end up killing yourself, okay? So that's my warning to you. So anyway, here, basically what we have to do is, I'll show you here, we have to remove the brake caliper bracket here, okay? So to do that, I've already loosened this, okay? We need to loosen this bolt. Loosen this bolt. We need a metal thing here. And what we're going to do is we're going to move the caliper out like that. We're going to insert this metal wire here, okay? And we are going to hang this caliper up where the strut springs is, so that it doesn't fall down and damage itself or hurt yourself. And I'll show you how it's tightened. So that's how we do our little thing here. So now what's next is, you look at here, okay, there are two bolts that holds the caliper. This bolt and this bolt that holds the caliper bracket here, okay, this bracket here. So we're gonna have to remove this so that we can pull the disc brake out, okay? So what we're gonna do is remember your springs and how they are arranged, okay? See the springs right here, the V are pointing to each other. So move that out. Okay, I've just changed my brakes, so my brakes are okay. And put them aside, put your brake pads aside, and remember where they are. So now we're gonna remove the bolts that I told you. Okay, so my breaker is on, my breaker bar is on. Got this thing loosened. And the upper one, and it's loosened too. Okay. And I use my little handy power tool here. Okay, so the caliper bracket is off. Okay, so then here comes the hard part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put two little bolts in here, and it'll force this thing out. Okay, be right back. Okay guys, so basically this is what I'm doing. Okay, because this is pretty tight in there, it's not coming out. So you'll see that there's a little hole right here and there's a little hole right here. Okay, like that one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this here. Basically we're gonna force it out by tightening the bolts here. Okay. That's number 12. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna tighten this bolt. So there you go. There you go. And it comes out. So now we're going to get the new rotor. Take out the cover. And then we are going to install it. There you go. Okay. That's it. And then the reverse is the insulation. Okay. So we are going to be doing this. So okay, that one goes in. Okay, let's go down here. Okay. Okay, so now you have to reinstall this. Okay. This is the brake pad. Brake pads go back in. So this right here, the spring goes here. Okay. This spring goes back here. Okay. So like I said, this is a reassembly process. Okay. Now mind you, because this is a new rotor, the thickness is different. And so we'll probably have to adjust the brake pad, the caliper hydraulic mechanism inside the caliper, okay? So let's try this first. If it turns out that we have to adjust it, we will have to do that. If we don't have to, we don't have to. Alright. So down comes the caliper. Okay? So we are trying to fit the caliper in. And the caliper goes in. There you go. So now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to use these bolts and install the bolts in here. Install the bolts in here. Okay. Okay. There you go. Okay, so you got your 17 millimeter here. You got this thing right here. You're gonna torque it to 25 foot-pounds. Okay. Good. 25 foot-pounds. So let's do the bottom. Okay. 25. Okay. And that's basically what it is, guys. Tighten this, tighten these two bolts over here, tighten these into specs, and we're done. Okay. So hey, let me know what your thoughts are on this project. like and subscribe. Follow me. All right. I'll see ya.